Hi there, it's Charlotte Drummond and
Kathy Kilday
with the TimeBank Time Bank. We're glad you're here. Very, very quickly, how to be a good time banker. First and foremost, respond quickly, respond on time, communicate well, post your hours promptly. Just all the things that you would wish that someone would do for you, that's what you want to do for someone else. We're all about building community and making these warm and fuzzy exchanges. So you're going to get some help, you're going to give some help, but mainly you're going to get to know someone in some way, shape, or form and have it be a good exchange for both of you.
And remember that just because somebody contacted you about an exchange, you're not obligated to actually do that exchange with that member. If something doesn't feel right, or if it doesn't work out well for you, or for whatever reason it's not going to happen, you are absolutely free to say no thank you, but please do that member the courtesy of a response and let them know. Every inquiry within the Time Bank should generate at least a short response from the member, from the other member. So just be sure that we're communicating with each other.
Yeah, and make sure that you let people know exactly what you expect, how far away you are, because if you remember, the you're posting hours from home to home. So if once you leave home, those are your hours. So if you live 20 miles away, you want to negotiate that time with the person who is on the other end.
And I know that sometimes we don't always catch up with the things that we need to do, but try to remember to post those hours promptly. So the further away that a transaction gets in our memory, the less likely we are to record it and recall it accurately. So if you could remember to post those things pretty quickly, that would be awesome.
Yep. And happy time banking.
Happy time banking.